can't believe that I'm in school today. And they are having a break after the first lesson is done. So yeah, what should I do now? Oh, I have an idea. Since I am so thirsty, I am going to use the staff's vending machine so that I could drink sodas. Well anyways, let's go. Okay, I will now buy something for vending machine. I will buy some Fanta Orange, because it's my favorite. Well, I have to put money in the vending machine. Okay, I will now choose Fanta Orange, because orange is my favorite flavor. Oh look, it looks like Fanta Orange is coming out. I will take it for now. Oh wow, I finally got the Fanta Orange, and I can't wait to drink it while break time. This is so good.
Excuse me, Freddy. What were you doing in the staff's vending machine? You don't ever use them.
As a matter of fact, yes. I did.
That's it, Freddy. I am getting the principal on you.
Wait. What were you doing, Amelia? Please, don't tell the principal. I'm so sorry for using the staff's vending machine.
Amelia. I can see that person who uses the staff's vending machine.
Yes, that's him. Freddy Sherman just used the staff's vending machine, Principal Anastasia.
Freddy, you know you are not allowed to use the staff's vending machine. You know that the staff vending machine is only for staffs. That's it, you are suspended for 8 days.
You heard what the principal said. Go home right now and get out of our sight.
Freddy, we just heard that you use the staff's vending machine. You know that you are not allowed to use the staff's vending machine, and it's only for staff's teacher.
Your father is right. Because of this, you are grounded until February. Go to your room right now.